See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Good morning, my ekiti people. Good morning, Nigerians. I want to thank IG for transferring this guy, Marcus, from Ekiti. Marcus have been using Form K to put people in prison. Ojugo has been in prison for 8 months now. Lostain has been there now 1 month. So many oppositions are in prison that they are using Form K to detain them. They've been detained for days, months, weeks. Their wives, their children have been calling me, Uncle Isaac, please help us. Please help us. How can you hold someone's breadwinner? All because they are not supporting your government. This is abuse of human rights. This is like slavery in our country. This is underground slavery that is going on in Ekiti. I've been pointing Nigerians' attention to this slavery. This is very sad that even as at now, Nigerians haven't joined me. And Ekiti people, I'm so disappointed that you guys are not coming out to protest. As it's not their time now. If you reach your time, how can they be detaining people for thumb-up charge from K? How? Because they don't support your candidate or because they are not supporting the government of the day. How did we get here? How did we get here? These people are already facing underdevelopment. No money, no nothing. Now you are detaining them anyhow. It's so sad, my Ekiti people. It's so sad. I want to tell you guys, we all have to come together to fight this common enemy against human rights, against people that will just carry you and detain you. We've been able to transfer Marcus to Kogi. The remaining people are still there. Our brothers are still in jail. Lostain is still in jail. Ojugo is still in jail. Many others are still in jail just because they are not supporting the government of the day. How do we get here? If we keep quiet, it will continue to the election. We have to find a way to come out and say enough is enough. We have to find a way to reach out to Chief Justice of Ekiti State to say, please call your magistrate to order, call your judges to order. Form K is not advised. How can you detain someone for 1 month for crying out loud that he didn't kill someone? This is unfair. This is evil. Ekiti, ẹ jẹ́ ká jára wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbára wa lóko amúnisìn yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jára wa, Olúwa fún wa ṣe ẹjọ́ ẹ dìde. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jára wa. God bless Ekiti. God bless Nigeria.